Two vicious dogs attack. Getting between. Oh, never get me between the dog fight. Oh, God. Oh, they're vicious. Oh, oh, my arm. It's just too much action. My beautiful wife. Getting ready for my brother's wedding today. That's my inspiration. DBZ. Gonna go Super Saiyan. Here's a prize I won a couple nights ago. Me and my wife in Monterey. It's my anniversary gift. This is her anniversary gift. Gotta turn it around. I hung it backwards. That's Road Dog and Co-pilot from when I was working out of state. My gorgeous wife.
Co-pilot.
Oh.
Co-pilot.
Yes, we're a little bit messy right now. Our house cleaner, Faith, is getting ready for the wedding today too.